everybody, Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting, and I have an unboxing of my latest package from Happy Hippo Finds from my friend Elizabeth. And let's see what she sent me. Beautiful diamond sticker from my collection. Love that. Oh boy, there's all sorts of things in here. Let's start with this. This is her new item. It's a little metallic box that will hold your cover minders. Well, her Happy Hippo minders. It has a little hippo sticker on her. I said lil. Hippo sticker. Very cute. Which is good because I kind of had mine just kind of sitting around. And this is nice because the magnets will stick. Look at that beautiful thank you sticker. So thoughtful. Everything Elizabeth does is very sweet and thoughtful. Okay, so I had one like this before. Oh, what happened to the magnets? What am I doing? Oh, there it is. It's on the back. This is a cute way to attach them to a card between the two magnets. I keep losing the magnet. All right. Here we go. There it is. This one is a little unicorn. I have another one that's just like it, but I wanted two to go on each side of my diamond painting. That sticks in there. Oh, and this one is just as beautiful as I thought it would be. It is a little acrylic heart with glitter in it. Funny, that's something I could make. That's pretty cool. I don't want to get into acrylic. That's a whole thing. Messy, and so they just have little magnets on the back. And what you do is when you open up your diamond painting and peel back the paper, you just set that on there so it doesn't shift around while you're diamond painting, and then you can take it off and fold it back down. And I got two of these. I got one in white, little ladybug. You know I love ladybugs. They're good luck, and they eat the bad bugs. And here the other one is pink, little pink flower. Aren't they adorable? Very cute. Thank you, Elizabeth. And let's see what else. I don't even remember what else I ordered. Another pen, I'm pretty sure. Yes. Oh, it was this one. Look, it's all fluffy. It's a purple fluffy pom-pom pen. And best part, it has a cap. I love that. Oh, what fun. Thank you so much, Elizabeth. I add my sticker to my collection. Fun, fun, fun. Thanks, everybody. Check out my other videos. Take care. Have a good day. Bye-bye.